Here is another video requested by one of our viewers who wanted 2 bedrooms in a garage conversion. So we're going to start with our 2-car garage. Usually it's going to be about 20 foot by 20 foot. And after we remove the garage door, we can reframe this area here. And since we're going to be installing the 2 bedrooms, we're not going to have a living room, we're not going to have a dining room. We're going to have a small kitchen and a small refrigerator, a small washer and dryer. And you can get rid of both of these if they're not going to work for your plan, or relocate them. And then we're going to have a bathroom with a sink, toilet, and a shower. And then maybe a cabinet. You could always make this smaller or get rid of it if it's not going to work for you. And I did put 2 different beds in here. We have a queen size bed and a twin bed here. And each bedroom is going to be about 9 foot 5 inches by just a little bit over 11 feet. Next up, let's go ahead and zoom in on some of the measurements here. And I'm just going to kind of work my way around here so you can get a close-up in case you couldn't see it when we were zoomed out. And I didn't put any closets in the bedrooms because they aren't very big to begin with. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at it with the furniture and some of the fixtures in it. And you can see here where we have a kitchen sink along with some storage in the bottom and upper cabinets. And then our doors going into the bedrooms. And a view of the 2 bedrooms. Now this bedroom here does have an egress window. However, I didn't put one over here because I was thinking that most garages are going to have one side that's going to be up against the house unless they're detached. So I didn't put any windows over here. If you can, then it's going to be a good idea to put a window here. And of course, my video wouldn't be complete if I didn't say that you're going to need to check with your local building department to verify whether or not you can build something like this. And I can't stress that enough. And then we have our bathroom cabinet, our shower pan. I'll leave it up to you how you want to finish off the shower pan area, or whether you're going to use a shower curtain or install some type of shower surround walls. And a view of the combo washer and dryer along with our refrigerator. And if the window locations don't work for you, you can always modify them. And that is it for our tour. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment area along with any design ideas that you think might work better. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.